In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot live chat to your website in just 5 minutes. With this powerful tool, you'll be able to engage with your website visitors in real time, providing them the support they need while boosting customer satisfaction and potentially increasing your conversion rates. First, if you haven't done so already, you'll need to log in or sign up for HubSpot. This is your starting point, as HubSpot's configurations and tools are only accessible once you're inside their platform. If you're new to HubSpot, don't worry, the sign-up process is straightforward and user-friendly. After you've logged in, navigate to the Service tab on the dashboard. Here, you'll find an option labeled Chat Flows. This is where you'll set up your live chat feature, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the Chat Flows section, you'll need to choose the type of chat you want. Since we're focusing on adding live chat to your website, select Website. By choosing this option, you're informing HubSpot that the chat is dedicated to interacting directly with visitors browsing your site. Now for a bit of creativity, customizing your chat widget. HubSpot allows you to modify the widget's appearance to align with your site's branding. You can also tweak the welcome message that appears to visitors. This is your first point of contact, so a friendly and inviting message can make a great first impression. Additionally, take this opportunity to assign incoming tickets to specific users or teams on your end, ensuring that inquiries are directed to the right people who can provide assistance promptly. Next, switch over to the Target tab. This feature lets you specify exactly which pages on your website the chat widget should appear. Maybe you want it on every page, or perhaps only on your contact or product pages. This level of granular control helps prevent your visitors from being overwhelmed by chat options on every single page they visit, instead offering help just where they might need it most. After setting your targets, you're ready to make your chat flow live. Simply toggle the chat flow to the on position. This action activates the chat, effectively turning it live, and your settings are now locked in. To see everything in action, navigate to the pages where you've decided to target the chat flow. You should notice the chat widget sitting unobtrusively in the bottom right corner, ready to initiate or receive interactions. Finally, it's time to test. Click on the chat widget yourself to ensure it's operational and working as expected. Experiment by sending a message, checking to see if notifications reach the intended users or teams promptly. This step's crucial to confirming the setup is functional before your real visitors start using it. And that's it. You've successfully added HubSpot Live Chat to your website.